What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your TikTok account without email or without you knowing the password. Now this works in two different ways, okay? So if you are already inside your account but you don't know your current password, then you can go into your settings, then go to manage my account, and then if you would want to change your password, then you would have to know your current password. But if you don't know your current password, then you can't do this. So what you need to do, you need to go to phone number, and then you actually need to add a phone number. So pretty much add your phone number right there, and after you did that, you can actually sign out. So next up, sign out of the account, click on log out, and then next up, you can actually get back inside your account, and then you can actually change your password. So let me just go back, and then right there, you can actually log in, right? Already have an account, log in. So you want to click on that, and then right there, you can actually click on get help signing in. So let me do that right now. And then right there, you can actually click on phone number, which you just added. Then I can select my phone number. I'm actually gonna block these, by the way. So let me just do that. Then you can click on next. Then they're actually gonna verify your phone number and they will send you a code. So right now, I'm just gonna wait on that code. There we go. So that's 354293. Then I can click on continue, then it's verified, and then next up, right there, I can actually reset my password. So right now, I can come up with a new password, which I'm also gonna block for you guys, but this just shows you that this actually works. So let me just do that once again. There we go, succeeded. And then I can click on OK, and then I can actually log into my account. So even if you don't know your username, you could also log in with your mobile phone number. Let me just show you how that works right now. Enter my password. Then you're gonna get a verification code as well, but I already did that. So right now I'm actually back inside my account. And that's exactly how you can reset your TikTok password without email or without you knowing the password. If this works, then make sure you leave a like down below, comment down below. If this works out, then make sure you leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then I will see you next time.